Now start a dictation. 1, 2, 3. Start. Learned Counsel for the appellant has submitted that learned single judge did not advert the first 2 points raised by the respondent in the writ petitions, and he entered into merit of the case by reappraising the evidence laid before the General Court Martial as if he was sitting as Court of Appeal, having power to enter into merit of the case and can reappraise the evidence. He has submitted that High Court, while exercising jurisdiction under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, has no power to reappraise the evidence or substitute its own finding, saying conclusions of guilty arrived at by the General Court Martial being based on weak and insufficient evidence is not liable to stand, and respondents are liable to be acquitted of the charge. He has further submitted that amply evidence has been given before the General Court Martial indicating involvement of respondent in the crime, and also that it were respondent who done the death of decreased persons, and the findings of conviction arrived at by the General Court Martial on the basis of that evidence, which is cogent and reliable, was reliable to stand and could not be caused in the writ petition filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India in the name of reappraisal of evidence. Learned Counsel for the appellant has further submitted that High Court, while exercising jurisdiction under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, has power to reverse the finding of conviction recorded by the General Court Martial only when it is established that finding of General Court Martial is based on no evidence, or accused were denied opportunity to defend themselves. He has submitted that it was not the case taken in the writ petitions that respondents were denied opportunity to defend themselves. Rather, it is established on record that both respondents had been provided fully opportunity to defend themselves, such as they had opportunity to engage lawyer of their choice, and they had full opportunity not only to cross-examine the witnesses by the prosecution but had opportunity to tender evidence in defense also, and they had to tender evidence also in their defense, and in view of this it was not open for them to challenge the finding of conviction recorded by the General Court Martial, saying evidence on which finding of conviction is based is weak and insufficient, and no conviction can be based on that evidence. Learned Counsel for the appellants has lastly submitted that ample evidence has been laid on record, and it is established from that evidence that respondents had a strong motive to commit murder of Havaldar Rampal, and Sepo Jagannath Prasad has later had tried to molest the wife of respondent 2, whom respondent 1 treated as sister. It is also established that respondent 1 collected a DBBL gun in the morning of 26/1/1974, and thereafter both respondents, co-accused Ramesh Dubey and deceased person, were seen together going towards the place of occurrence.